This app makes a request to an internet host site to receive and play video stream from the host server. When the app opens for the first time, there's no host site address saved on the record. The user has to enter the host site address by pressing the Setting button. On the Setting page, enter the host address, the password, and the host computer ID. These are required. The user may also enter description for better recognition of the site, and the administrator name if the user wants to get more control of the streaming session. Here, to get the video streaming from a remote site with the public IP address of 123.234.56.7 as an example, enter the host address. Enter each as the password. Then use the default computer ID of 0. If the user wants to block other users to join this streaming session, enter administrator name as admin 2018. Note the password, computer ID, and administrator name must match the setup in the host site. Now press Save button to make it effective and stored in the user record. User can now request host site to stream over live video by press the Start button. If the host address is not valid, or the host site is not set up or not ready to deliver video stream, an error message will inform the user of the access failure. Otherwise, the Live Start button may change into Play button to indicate the host site is preparing and delivering the live videos. After a few seconds, the app will open the video player. Because there's a latency of about 20 seconds in Apple's HTTP live streaming, the player has to wait for more than 10 seconds before displaying the video. The user can touch the screen and press the upper left X button on the player to go back the front page and select other videos to stream. The front page provides 4 types of videos for the user to select. The Live M on the upper left corner requests for live video from multiple cameras. Here, the multiple cameras are combined into one frame. There are 6 combination layouts set up in the host computer for the user to select. The user can use the stapler to select one of the 6 combinations and press its Start or Play button to make a request. The Live S requests for live video of a single camera and displayed in full size. Depending on the number of cameras in the host site, the user can use the stapler to select one of the cameras and press its Start or Play button to make the request. The Review M on the upper right corner requests for recorded video from multiple cameras. Here, the multiple videos are combined into one frame. There are 6 combinations set up in the host computer for user to select. The user can use the stapler to select one of these 6 combinations and press its Start or Play button to make a request. The Review S requests for recorded video of a single camera and displayed in full size. Depending on the number of cameras in the host site, the user can use the stapler to select one of the cameras and press Start or Play to make the request. When the user makes a new selection, the app will communicate with the host. After getting response from the host, the app will open the player. The user can also press the Player button to open the player at any time. The Help page provides a quick user guide of the app, especially for the tools to select the specific recorded video file. The Info page provides the link for support and other information. The stop button forces the host to stop the streaming sessions. Notice that this step is not necessary. If the streaming activity has been stopped for 1 minute, the host will automatically close the streaming session. The remaining buttons are used for recorded video only. The Prev button selects the previously recorded file. The Repeat button replays the current file. The Next button selects the next file. And the Latest button selects the latest recorded file. Notice that a recorded video is divided into many video files with 1 minute duration for each file. In this arrangement, the user can randomly select a specific video file in time to play. The app will continue to play the video files in sequence until the user makes a new selection. The fast slide button plays the recorded file in slide mode and skip many frames. The fast forward button plays the recorded file in fast forward mode. Both provide user a fast overview of the recorded files. The available recorded files are shown in 2 rows. The bottom row has boxes as indicators for the months, days, and hours. The top row is the indicator for the minutes. If a box is filled with blue, it indicates 1 or more recorded files are available. If the file is filled with red, it indicates the recorded file is selected to play. The user touches one of the blue boxes to make the selection. User can swipe the minute bar to the left to select the previous available minute file, or swipe to the right to select the next available minute file. Similarly, user can swipe the hour bar to the left to select the previous available hour files, or swipe to the right to select the next available hour files. Likewise, the user can swipe the day bar to select the previous or next available day files, and swipe the month bar to select the previous or next available month files. For example, the main test site contains files recorded continuously from October 28th to 29th for a total of 43 hours. In the default case, if no user has making requests, the latest file is selected and the player will stop at the end of this file because no more files are available after this. The box has months 10 in red, day 28 in blue, and day 29 in red. It shows 24 hours with the latest hour 23 in red. These are the hours of October 29th. The top row has all 60 minutes fields. These are the minutes of the hour 23 on October 29th. The minute 59 is in red because it is the latest recorded file selected to play here. As an example, the user may select the first file in the record to start the playback. In this case, the user touches the box of day 28. The app will fill the available hours and select the first hour. That is the hours of a file in this example by default. The app will further fill the available minutes for this hour and select the first minute file, the meaning of 0 in this example. The user can, of course, touch another hour or minute blue box to make another selection. If the recorded video contains file dated to last year, the user can use the Review Year stepper to select or switch between the years. The Save Time button allows the user to save the recorded file time in year, month, day, hour, and minute for later use. The Load Time button reloads the last save time to select the recorded file. Now, if the removed host site has registered a domain name such as mycomputer.com as an example, the video can be streamed from this site by entering the domain name instead of its numerical IP address. Then enter password each and the computer ID 0 again as shown here. It should be noted for certain users, the host site may be at home, small office, or small business. In that cases, the domain name may not be available. With more than one host site saved, the pull down button in the setting page can be used to open a list of host sites and select one of them for streaming. The user only have to enter a host address once. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching.